If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import F&Q stocks in TradingView Watchlist. Now, make sure you already are in the nseindia.com website because you will need to download a CSV file. So scroll down and you will see here under the products and services is the equity market. Click on that and then click the derivatives, and under that click the product and select the individual securities. So once you select it, it will show you the individual securities futures, where when you scroll down you should see here a download link, but in here in this case I can't find any link in here. So in order to import F&O stocks and TradingView watchlist, I think we'll need to manually add it like this. So when you open your TradingView account, go on to your TradingView application in your desktop, and on the right side you will see here the plus button which indicates the add symbol. So click on that, and then in order to add a FN stock you want to add, for instance, enter the Reliance 1 manually because we can't find the download link for the bulk list for F&O stocks. So you will need to search for all the F&O stocks so you can manually add it to the watch list in TradingView. And that's it. That's how you import F&O stocks in your TradingView watch list. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.